Okay, hi and Assalamualaikum. So we are from group 1 and our case study is case study number 1. So my group consists of 5 members, which are me, Mohamad, Akmal, Hakim bin Azmi, and next one Muhammad Faaiz bin Jazuli, NorFadzlin Alyssa, Binti Muhammad Fadzil, Izzati Binti Ramle, and last Zumiera Izzyantie Binti Zamri. So we go to our group requirement. So my group are required to propose company synergy network project who wants to set up a network in his office. The following requirements are need to be fulfilled, which is 1 LAN with 20 host PC, and all the PCs will connected to one switch using straight cable. Then 1 router which connected to 1 LAN switch, and it is provided with 1 web server. Okay, so my group choose star topology for this project. Okay, we go to packet tracer. Okay, wait Okay, so this is our packet tracer that we designed. We move to, let's play full screen record. Okay, so this how we design. So there are 20 hosts and 1 switch, 1 router and 1 web server. So this is the switch, this is host. So we zoom in and there you go. There is a router. So the switch is connected to the router and the router connected to server. Okay, and we zoom out. Okay, and this okay. Wait, okay, there are 20 hosts, which is 20 PCs, and we go to the configuration for host and switch. Okay, first we go to the router first. We go to the interface, which is gigabit Ethernet. So the IP address for the server is 10.0.0.1 and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Okay, then we go to the gigabit Ethernet for switch, which is 192.168.2.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, we close that. And basically we need to turn on the port status to make sure the cable is connected carefully. Then we go to the RIP routine, which is network address for the router. Okay, so we go to the IP configuration for server. Then IP address for the server is 10.0.0.2. Okay, and the default gateway is for the router. Then we try to connect with the one of the hosts. Go to desktop, IP configuration, which is 192.198.168.2.4. and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and the default gateway is for the switch. And the DNS server, we just make it blank, and there you go. Okay, after that we try to go to command prompt. We put ping, then 10.0.0.2, which is the IP address for the server, and just wait. First we request timeout, then okay, then we got send equal to 4, receive equal to 3. Okay, then we try ping again with the IP address of the server. Okay, and we got all send equal to 4 and receive equal to 4, and this show that we success. So we go to the web server and put the IP address of the server, and there. So this is the website that we tried. This is a SiteGround, and welcome to the SiteGround still. Okay. Alhamdulillah, we success. Okay. We put X. Okay. So that's our packet tracer for this office. Okay. And that's all from me. Thank you. Okay. We go to the next presenter. Okay. Bye.
What's up, guys? Let's get started. Okay, I will talk about the advantage of our topology. And first one is it is easy to install and reconfigure. New nodes can be added easily without affecting the rest of the network. Similarly, components can also be removed easily. And the second one is easy to detect failure. Failure is easy to be troubleshooted, and failure of one node or link doesn't affect the rest of the network. And the third one is it has better performance. The signal don't necessarily get transmitted to all the workstations. A sent signal reaches the intended destination after passing through no more than 3-4 devices and 2 or 3 links. The fourth one is centralized management. It helps in monitoring the network. Then I will talk about the disadvantages of our topology. First one is single point failure for central device. Because it is too much dependency on central device has its own drawback. If it fails, whole network goes down. And the second one is costly. The use of hub, a router, and a switch as central device increases the overall cost of the network. The third one is can affect the infrastructure. The size of the networks is dependent on how many connections can be made to the hub. As the number of connections increases, so does the size and thus the infrastructure.
Hi, Assalamualaikum guys. So we move to type of cable. So after our survey and discussion, we choose Ethernet cable Cat 6, or we can call it as category 6 as our cable. So it can be purchased online at fs.com. So as shown below at the slideshows, we can see there is 4 advantages. It is speed, latency, security, and energy efficient. For the speed, Ethernet connection with Cat 6 cables can offer up to 10 gigs per second. For latency, much lower when using Ethernet cable, and will get more of delay on Wi-Fi. The third one is security. If using wired network, a person can only connect by physically plugging their device into router. And last one, energy efficiency. Connections through Cat6 cables consume less energy than Wi-Fi connections, thus lowering the energy bill. So next I will present about the disadvantages of the Ethernet cable Cat6. One of it is only for short distance network, can only reach around 700 feet without daising chaining switches together. The second one can affect performance. If the cable is extended, the performance will decrease as the long cable will cause electrical resistance. The last one is not suitable for traffic-intensive applications. If the traffic on the Ethernet increase, the efficiency of the Ethernet goes down. Thank you.
So next we go to the switch, which is D-Link DGS 108 NG. That can be purchased online at Amazon.com. So the reason why we chose this switch because it has 8 gigabit ports and data transfer speeds of up to 2000 Mbps. That this device data transfer speeds makes it an ideal solution for business who need to transfer files fast and for individual users who need high speeds for online gaming. Next, D-Link's Ethernet switch comes with a cable diagnostic function. This feature allows you to immediately isolate issues with pin connections and promptly troubleshoot cable issues if necessary. And the last reason why we choose this switch because the Link DGS comes with QoS features. This helps to enable smoother media streaming, VoIP calling and online gaming. Next, the router, which is Ubiquiti Edge Router 4 that can be purchased online at Amazon.com. And the reason because we chose this router, it has internal power supply unit, offers fanless operation at significantly reduced power consumption, and great price performance ratio. And the last one because the installation and mounting is relatively easy and it can be set up about 20 minutes. So let's go.
Assalamualaikum. Hi. Okay, next I would like to present about web server. And after we make our analysis and our survey, we found out that GoGit Plan is the best web server, which it can be purchased online at siteground.com. The reasons why we choose this kind of server is because it is affordable shared hosting, it is easy to set up, which you don't need to hire professionals to set up the web hosting. And the best part is it is 24/7 call support, which provide responsive and reliable last mile application call support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Okay, next we move on to the budget. We have 5 items that we provide. The first is PC, which is from HP Pro 3000 full set. It costs 699 ringgit per unit, and we provide 20 PCs, and it total up 13,980 ringgit. For the cable, we choose Cat6 and it costs 800 and it has 300 meter. For the switch is the best switch that we choose, which is D-Link DGS 1008G, which the price is 103 ringgit and 98 cents. For the router, it is also the best router, which is Ubiquiti Edge Router 4, which costs 742 ringgit and 44 cents. And the lastly, for the web hosting is GoGit, which is 597 ringgit. So the amount of all of these items is 16,223 ringgit and 42 cents, which is lower than our budget because our budget required is 20,000. So we managed to provide all the requirements below the budget. Thank you.